Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the lecture 6 of HCI series. So the topic for the lecture 6 is cognition, and it is the process of gaining knowledge. So how you gain knowledge about something, the process of gaining it is the cognition. And there can be two modes of cognition, so two modes of gaining knowledge. One is the experimental cognition, and the other is reflective cognition. In the experimental cognition, the when you experiment on something, or when you learn about something by exploring it mostly, so after that it will become a effortless process. So it's like you drive a car and you learn about driving, then it will become the effortless, right? You are not gonna spend half an hour before every time before driving the car for recalling all the steps to drive a car, right? So it will become effortless in the experimental cognition. And then we have the reflective cognition. In this type of gaining knowledge, you have to think, or just you have to use your brain uh, in order to solve a problem or something like that. So it's like you are solving a math problem, and it will never be the effortless uh, process, right? So you have to think hard, even if you have skills, but you have to think hard in order to solve it, right? So a little bit explanation of these modes. So in experimental cognition, you learn something at first, and like driving a car, and then you do it effortlessly. And in the reflective, you learn skills for performing a task, like you learn the coding skills, or the to do the data structure problems. But when you are actually solving that problem, you will have to think about it, uh, like solving a math problem or designing a system, right? So we have to understand how humans interact with the computer based system. So that's the main motive of the HCI, right? So for this we have model called GOM, and this is actually the cognitive frameworks which are used to predict human behaviors when they interact with computer based system. So you are the main user as a human, and when you interact with computer based system, so as a developer, I will be interesting to know about your behavior, or to predict your behavior about anything I am developing, right? So that's the motive to learn about the cognitive frameworks, and we will spend a lot of time on that in the next lectures. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.